Along those same lines, with larger vehicles, buses in particular, they have other hazards, and that is passengers getting on and off. That vehicle can be stopped somewhere along a curb, and whether or not they have the lights flashing on that bus, there's always a risk that someone is going to be crossing in front of or behind that bus, and they may not be paying attention to passing traffic, or they may assume the traffic is stopped.
Slow down. That's the biggest thing. Slow down. And again, assume that the pedestrian is going to step out in front of you. The law states they have the right of way. When I'm driving and I see pedestrians, I'm assuming that they know they have the right of way and that they're going to insist on it. So I drive a lot slower. Bicycles have to obey all the same laws we do. They have just as much right on the highways as we do. Bicycle riders are supposed to stay to the right, but there's times when they're going to have to be in my lane or over into the far left lane. I try to give them more distance than I do regular cars. Things can go wrong with bicycles. With cars, at least you have metal around you. With a bicycle, they're out there with nothing.